All right, David, let me show you the LG Pro Builder Cove here at KBIS 2026. And one of the things I'm most excited about is we're bringing lawn vent drying to our LG WashTowers. We can go 200 feet, so we can put WashTower in almost every build now. It's absolutely fantastic. So we've got ventless, we've got vented, and now long vent solutions. And we've also introduced some new 18 and 24-inch kitchen packages for the city. So a brand new dishwasher, electric range, OTR, and even a great bottom freezer that's gonna fit in almost every build you've got, right? Perfect for the city, maybe a mother-in-law suite, maybe anywhere that you wanna just save space in the kitchen. And something that I'm really excited about, David, is we can manage it all with LG ThinQ Pro. What LG ThinQ Pro does is it allows a multi-unit manager to actually take a look at all of the appliances that are in there. So they can see if something is maybe needing a little bit of preventative maintenance. Now, it won't tell you everything you're doing, so it's not gonna tell you that what you're air frying last night. It's not gonna talk about how many loads of laundry you did. But maybe if there's a leak, I hope we never see that, but maybe there's a leak in the dishwasher, that manager will get an alert right away in what apartment building it was or what home it was. If there is, the dryer vent needs to be clean, right? That lint filter needs to be clean, it hasn't been done in a while, they'll get that alert. Or even something like the refrigerator door has been left open for too long, they'll get that alert and they can contact you and say, hey David, are you home? You're not, do you mind if I go in and check on your refrigerator? So able to manage that and make sure that those appliances not only last longer through maintenance, but if there's any problems that could cost some money due to a failure, whether that's food spoilage or refrigerator going back or a leak, we'll catch that before it actually happens. And that's all through ThinQ Pro. Now let's go to the next section. I want to show you something really cool.